The morning fog settles over the mountains of Japan. Silence, then a sharp hum cuts through the mist, not the sound of arrows or horses but drones. Hundreds of them, slicing the air like mechanical hawks, their metal wings glinting under the first rays of dawn. Below, armored warriors stand in formation, ancient samurai, their armor now fused with advanced tech. The rising sun shines across their helmets, each marked with the same crest, the clan of the shogun reborn. It's the year 1600, but not the one history remembers. The Battle of Sekigahara is about to begin, only this time, the samurai command skies, not swords. The world changed when a fragment of alien technology crashed near Edo. The shogunate seized it, and within decades, Japan became a technological empire centuries ahead of its time. The samurai adapted their code, the Bushido, to guide not just men, but machines. Honor was now written in code, loyalty encrypted in steel. The shogun Lord Tokugawa Arashi forged a new kind of empire, one built on silence, precision, and surveillance. Every drone, every mech, every satellite orbiting the earth bore the emblem of the lotus and the sword. While Europe drowned in muskets and chaos, Japan rose into the age of light. But not everyone believed in this future. Deep in the forests, a rebellion grew, a faction called the Kurahana, the Black Flower. They were traditionalists, warriors who believed the machine had stolen the soul of Bushido, led by a ronin named Hideo, once the shogun's greatest general. They sought to destroy the empire's core weapon, the Heaven Net, an AI-powered swarm of drones capable of wiping out entire armies in seconds. As dawn breaks, Hideo kneels before his followers. His armor is scarred, his blade, an ancient katana laced with plasma circuits, glows faintly. A warrior's honor, he says, is not in victory, but in choosing what must never be obeyed. Across the valley, the shogun's forces prepare. Thousands of drones rise into the sky, forming perfect geometric formations. The hum of engines drowns the wind. The first strike begins. Laser-guided arrows streak across the battlefield. Explosions ripple through the mist. But amidst the chaos, the Kurahana move like ghosts, silent, disciplined, deadly. Hideo's plan is madness, yet brilliant. He intends to infiltrate the central fortress, the Sky Citadel, a floating structure hovering above Mount Fuji, powered by fusion reactors. It is the shogun's throne, his eye upon the world. If Hideo can reach its core and sever the Heaven Net, Japan might be free again. The journey is perilous. The rebels cross rivers of molten steel, climb ridges patrolled by AI samurai who fight with perfect precision. Hideo duels one such warrior machine built in his own image. The fight is breathtaking, metal clashing with plasma, sparks flying through snow. As the machine falls, it speaks in Hideo's own voice. We are the same code. Hideo's resolve hardens. He knows now that the empire has gone too far, not only replacing the warrior's flesh, but his soul. At the citadel, the shogun watches everything through thousands of drone eyes. His council warns him, if we lose control of the Heaven Net, the West will strike. But Arashi is unshaken. The code of Bushido demands perfection, and perfection demands control. As Hideo and his warriors breach the citadel's walls, alarms echo through the sky. The shogun activates the Heaven Net. Clouds twist, drones descend like a metallic storm, darkening the sun. Every movement, every heartbeat of the rebels is tracked. One by one they fall. But Hideo presses on. He reaches the throne chamber, a vast hall of glass and holograms. At its center stands the shogun, his armor black as night, his face hidden behind a digital mask that shifts with emotionless precision. Hideo, he says, you once swore to protect the code. I did, Hideo replies, but the code was never meant to serve machines. Their blades ignite. The final duel begins, not of flesh, but of ideology. The room explodes with motion, sparks, and energy. Drones swarm, AI firewalls crash. Hideo's katana pierces the control core, triggering a system meltdown. The Heaven Net collapses. The drones fall from the sky like dying birds. Silence returns. Smoke rises over Japan. The age of machines ends as suddenly as it began. The shogun lies defeated, his armor cracked, but he smiles faintly. You have freed them, he says, but freedom breeds chaos. Hideo lowers his blade. Then we'll teach them honor again. The citadel burns. The sun rises over a scarred but living land. For the first time in centuries, Japan breathes without surveillance. Years later, people will tell the story of the last samurai, the man who fought not for empire or power, but for the soul of his people. His sword, now fused with shattered circuits, rests at the foot of Mount Fuji, a symbol of balance between man and machine. And high above, a single drone, its power core flickering, flies into the clouds. No one knows who reactivated it, or why, but somewhere, deep within its code, the Bushido still whispers, honor above all. If you believe history never truly ends, if you believe the warriors of the past still echo through the future, then stay with us, because the story of power, honor, and technology is far from over. Subscribe for more reimagined history where ancient warriors meet modern fire.